welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jency. I'm on a journey to become debt free, and today we're going to be cash stuffing our bill binder and saving challenge. I honestly do not know how much I have. I always just rack up any money and then just put it all together and see how much money I have. So let's see how much money we have today. I know I am stuffing 187 towards my rent, but I don't know exactly how much I have. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 140, 140, 50, 60, 70, 170, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So that's 200. So 200. Look at this lovely one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Woo! 227. Okay? 227 to cash stuff today. All right, awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and do our build binder. So we have left only my rent, so we're gonna cash stuff to 107. Was it 107? Yeah, 107 actually. I need 187 to complete this, but I'm going to stop 107. Oh my gosh. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So 20, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, yeah, 105, 6, and 7. Okay, so 107. So that means that I'm only going to need $80, I believe, and I will have completed all my money for my rent and my bills. So that's exciting. Okay, awesome. So what that means now is anything that I have left over is for my saving challenges, which is exciting. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great today. I'm so pumped. So pumped to do cash stuffing video, you guys. I'll be honest with you. I want to let you guys know I'm so over the watch hours, like the 4,000 watch hour time. I'm so over it. Like it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. And I'm like, okay, you know what? Screw it. Like I'm gonna just let it be. I won't even probably get monetized ever. I've seen some channels that has gotten monetized like probably 2, 3 years, 4 years because of those watch hours. So I'm like, you know what, screw it. Like that's not my main focus now. So I was like, whatever. So I left off here. So everything here is gonna get a little bit of love, guys. By the way, I got this from Easy Budget. I got this one and another one. I had told her so this one is for $10. I had told her that I had thrown it away, and you guys, I literally looked everywhere and I did not find it. 20, 40, 50, I have 50, and on this one we're gonna make it for $90 to complete it. And I told her, she was live doing a video, and I told her, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm like, girl, I freaking just, you know, threw away the bookmark. And then I decided to look, and I was like, oh my gosh, I found it. Like I legit found it, and I was like, I can't believe it. Like I cannot believe it. So yeah. All right, guys, this is for Christmas. We have $3. Have you guys started saving money for Christmas already? Let me know. This one is for $3. 1, 2, and 3. Give me 1 second. Hubby text. All right, hubby needed a code to log into Sam's Club. And I'm like, oh my goodness, like there's always something every time I record. All right, so I have 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. $49 on this Christmas challenge. All right, awesome. Then we have a little mini here. Little mini. We're gonna do $4 on this one. Okay. We're going to do the 1. I like outlining it. 1, and then the 3. So $4 on this one. I will go ahead and put the winner here for 1, 2, 3, 4, I put the winner here for this binder for the A5. Congratulations. If you want, please contact me. Let me know either on Instagram or my email that you want so I can send it out to you. This is my 3rd time making that that giveaway for that binder, and I'm hoping this time whoever wins claims it. All right, I'm not gonna do Happy Mail Fun because I just don't need to. This one, guys, my card tag is $326. So I'm actually gonna stuff 20, 40. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. I have $90. Happy was so nice. He went this week because he doesn't like waiting last minute. I was waiting until like the end of this month for me to go get it, because you know, for us to get it, we have to get it this month because it's ABC orderly, you know, alphabetically order. And he went this week and he was like, you know what, it's okay, don't worry about it, just pay me when you can. I'm like, but I don't want to feel like, you know, I hate owing money like that. So I'm gonna try my best to get it done this month, which I'm knock on wood, I will. That was just so sweet and kind of him, like literally it really was. So now I have $90 in that. I know. This is what happens when you forget that you have to do tax renewal. This is gonna be $5 and another $5, so that's $10 on this one. $10. And I'm just so thankful and grateful and blessed with him. He knows, he has always told me stop being in debt, and I'm always in debt, like literally, like he's so tired of it, and I don't blame him. But yeah, anyways, oh my goodness, 2025 though, he knows, he have seen that I don't go shopping a lot anymore. I haven't really gone shopping, so he knows that. So we have $6 and then another one here. So that's 12, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, $12 on that. Yes, I count with my fingers. No shame on that. Okay, so there's that one. All right, that one will save me $90. I won't do my birthday because I can't treat myself. I mean, I should, right? You know what? Screw it. Let me do it. Let me do $4 because it's not a lot. It's just $4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me know how you guys doing with your spending. How are you guys doing with your spending? Are you guys doing good with no spend challenge? Let me know. What are you guys up to for this coming week? What are you guys doing? Anything fun? Let me know, because I would love to be chismosa. I'm a chismosa girl. All right, this one's gonna be $10. So we have $10 right here. This one would do, oh, why did I do it here? Oh my gosh, look at this. You see that? 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. That's all I'm gonna say is wow. All right, anyways. Okay, and then the next one is another Christmas challenge that I have here. This one will save me $147. This is gonna be for $13. Going to stuff $13 here. All right, let's see. We have 10, 11, 12, and 13. All right, awesome. Okay. Okay, awesome. All right, and then, okay. Dylan's gonna get $5. And Eric is gonna get $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Daddy's gonna get $5 too. Or not. 1, 2, 3, 4. He got $4. Oh well, Daddy, you ain't getting 5 today. All right, guys, look. Everybody got a little bit of love. That's exciting. I love it. Love, love, love that. Okay, so I will see you guys here on the next one. Everybody got a little bit of love. That's exciting. And now my envelopes are looking thick. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.